The Chevrolet El Camino has long been a unique blend of utility and performance, making it an iconic figure in the world of muscle cars and classic pickups. First introduced in 1959 to compete with Ford's Ranchero, the El Camino went through several phases before becoming a key player in the muscle car wars of the late 60s and early 70s. By the time it was redesigned in 1964, the El Camino found its place as a midsize vehicle, sitting comfortably on the Chevelle platform. And while it remained in production until 1987, the El Caminos from the late 1960s and early 1970s remained some of the most desirable models in the classic car market today. Of these, the 1970 El Camino stands out as a prime example of raw muscle and rare engineering. While the El Camino was offered with a variety of engine options during its production, it's the 454 cubic inch LS6 V8 engine that truly earns it legendary status. Introduced as a beefed-up version of the already powerful LS5, the LS6 produced an incredible 450 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque, outmuscling not just other Chevys of the time, but even competing Ford and Buick engines. During the golden era of muscle cars, the LS6 was the engine to have, capable of outclassing other high-performance V8s of the era, including the 426 Hemi V8 in the Chrysler lineup. However, the LS6 was an expensive option and was only available in specific models, which makes it even rarer today. While it was available in the 1970 Chevelle, only a select number of El Caminos received the LS6 package, approximately 500 units, according to experts. One such rare gem is the Fathom Blue 1970 Chevrolet El Camino LS6. This particular example is even more extraordinary because it still retains its numbers-matching drivetrain, something that's increasingly difficult to find in classic cars. Undergoing a 3-year nut-and-bolt restoration, this El Camino now looks better than ever. The truck has been carefully restored to its original glory, flaunting a triple blue color combination that is nearly impossible to find in the market. In fact, among the 32 El Caminos sold at auction over the last year, only 5 were finished in Fathom Blue, and only one sported the rare triple blue layout without the LS6 engine. This particular El Camino is equipped with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine, mated to the M22 4-speed manual transmission, a combination that offers both performance and driving engagement. The car also features a 3.31 Posey rear end, adding to its performance capabilities. With power steering, power brakes, and the original AM/FM radio still intact, this truck is a perfect blend of muscle and vintage charm. Interestingly enough, this El Camino shares an identical color combo and drivetrain layout to the 1970 El Camino that currently holds the public auction record for the model. That particular truck, with its matching LS6 engine, sold for an astounding $275,000 in January 2023. Could this stunning example follow suit and set a new record when it hits the auction block? It's very likely. The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino LS6 is set to make its debut at the Mecum Indy 2025 auction on May 16th, and there's little doubt that it will attract high-level bids from collectors and enthusiasts alike. Given its rarity, numbers-matching status, and impeccable restoration, this El Camino is a true piece of automotive history, and it could very well surpass previous auction records. If you're in the market for a truly legendary muscle car, or simply want to witness history being made, this is one auction you won't want to miss.